How to fix iPhone back tap not working in iOS 15 or 16. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is, if you are using any kind of cover, you can just remove that cover from your phone and try using back tap. Sometimes phone cover might be the issue, so you can just remove it and try using back tap. If that's not the issue, then open your settings app, scroll down and head towards the option of accessibility, open it. Now over here you will find different sections. Under physical and motor you can find the option of touch, open that option. Now scroll all the way down. At the bottom you will find this option of back tap, open that option. Here you will get two options, double tap and triple tap. Tap on this option, double tap. Over here you will get different activities that can be performed by double tapping. So you can choose any of these, you can just reset it. Likewise, head back, go to this option triple tap. Now by triple tapping on the back you can perform these activities, you can choose any of the option. After you set it you can go back and now you can check whether your back tap is working or not. This is how you can fix iPhone back tap not working in iOS 15 or 16. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.